Welcome back to Mommy Jeff's kitchen. Today we got a big giant food.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright.
So today, guys, we're doing a mukbang.
Okay. Say hi.
Hi, welcome back to Mommy Jeff's kitchen. We're going to do a mukbang.
So hi guys! Welcome back to our
Channel!
So for today's video,
It's a mukbang.
we are going to do sushi mukbang.
Chicken and corn.
Yeah, we have also chicken, fried chicken, and corn and beef barbecue, beef fingers barbecue. So that's our side dish. It's char. So
Time to eat. Amen.
So guys, we have salmon. We have a salmon sushi. We have California maki. We have another salmon sushi with the sweet sauce, and we have another California maki with shrimp. So guys,
That's time to eat.
so guys, ang mga sushi na to ay homemade. We eat first. So guys, ang mga sushi na to ay homemade. Ginawa ko to. This is homemade by Mama Job's
Kitchen. Time to eat, guys.
Let's go and eat, guys.
What's this?
That's salmon. So first, I'm gonna do my sauce. I have soy sauce nga pala, guys.
Can I get the hot red?
So, lagay ko dito sa lagayan ng sauce.
Mom, can I get the hot red first?
Go.
Huh? Then, meron din tayong wasabi. You hear ko so close to the chicken sa corn. Hindi ka ko lang.
Yes.
And syempre, lemon. So, unahin ko yung salmon. Salmon. Ano ba? Paano ba sabihin ng salmon, Dave? Salmon? Let's eat!
Salmon.
Salmon. So, look at this, guys. Ooh. Look.
Really good, guys.
Hindi kami magkasya. Really good. So,
I told Bianca BRB, that means be right back.
be right back. So, lagyan natin ng wasabi.
Mm.
And,
Love this right here. Love the right.
Yeah.
Right.
the pickle.
Mm-hmm.
Me too. The ginger. This is ginger pickle. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Iba talaga pag homemade. And huh?
This one?
This is not.
Hmm?
Hindi ko naramdaman yung wasabi. Where's the wasabi here, babe?
Check this out. Oh.
Wow. And to my mouth.
Really good.
You okay?
What is this?
Sure. Nalaglag.
Ay, the sushi.
Ah.
Yes, guys.
Woohoo! Mom, you need the plate.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's a big difference.
Huh?
The paste and the powder is a big difference.
No.
Oh my god, mommy.
Wasabi yung top.
About food.
I'll turn it off. Okay, stop it. Mom, your chicken's
So guys, wala mo nang usap-usap ngayon. So it's really mukbangers. Mukbangers.
Ooh. These are the same, right? Both. This one and that one.
Beef. Close your mouth.
Close your mouth. I can hear your chewing.
It's a lot of wasabi.
It's about beef.
And this one, guys, is salmon also. So, yeah. And this is so huge.
I'm about done.
Because this is mukbang.
For real? Oh my.
Oh crap.
How do you guys even enjoy that? Save some for me later tomorrow.
Last piece of salmon.
Are you really guys gonna finish it?
Okay.
It's hard.
Got a competition.
Ang hirap pala abusin pag mo nagmukbang. Diyos ko, day.
Trying to stay healthy.
But no, we have a mukbang.
Yep. You're right.
What's that?
Delicious. Look at this, guys. Jumbo shrimp. There it goes.
Let's eat, guys.
Don't you just love shrimp?
Mommy, it's so hard for me to eat the corn. I have wiggly teeth.
Just when you bite into it, it just pops. That means it was cooked right.
Yeah, shrimp.
Yeah. You know when you bite shrimp and it pops? Oh yeah.
Hindi namin kaya ubusin ang 4 na rolls. So, 3 lang kaya namin ni Jason. Your stuff. I like the salmon.
Look at that.
Isa tayo, babe.
I'll go with this one.
Wala nang ano, no? So, lagyan natin ng lemon. Ay, sorry.
Wasabi, guys.
Oh, there's a lot, man. There was a lot. Crazy. Wipe your mouth. That's enough now. Another piece. And this is so huge. Huge.
It's huge. I'm done.
I'll try.
I give up. I'm done. Mommy,
It's not over yet.
Hindi kaya ba?
Mommy, I give up. I'm done.
Baka magligpit, B.
What? Malikpit.
Mommy,
Ching!
Mommy, I quit.
Why?
Too
Someone quit already?
I'm done too, right?
We got. So guys, we're going to tell you who's the winner. Mommy Jappy. Me, Daddy give up. So
I give up too. Mahina kami, guys, so hindi kami mga totoong mukbangers.
Hindi.
Hindi. Parang busog talaga.
Ang daming pakain ko. Huh?
Yeah.
Ang sabi sa'yo?
Ang daming pagkain.
Ang daming pagkain. Ang dami pagkain.
Hindi ko na kaya.
How did they do it?
I know. How does the real mukbangers did it? Like, wow.
They probably didn't eat all day. Oh.
So, yun na nga, guys. Hindi namin natapos ang sushi. Gumawa ako ng 4 na rolls kanina, pero hindi namin natapos. We're not real mukbangers. Fail. It's a fail mukbang. So, anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, If you
Please like, subscribe, and share.
And pakiclick na rin yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa next video namin. Bye! I love you all, guys.